crank sensor. Fuel pump. One side of the coil. Other side of the coil. Injector. Other side of the injector. Not sure if I'm getting a good hit on that. Nope. No spark. No fuel. Of course you need 12 volt to get fuel. Fuses are good. Well, no voltage, so I got voltage in here, but I'm not getting voltage to there. ECU, brand new throttle body, brand new coil, new spark plug, new crank position sensor, new starter, rebuilt motor. It was running, then it stopped running. At least it ran enough for me to know that the rebuild went good.